I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare marine collagen versus vegetable collagen. Collagen is a crucial protein, essential for maintaining healthy skin, strong hair, resilient nails, and flexible joints. We'll delve into marine collagen, which provides direct collagen peptides from fish sources. Then, we'll examine plant-based alternatives, designed to naturally enhance your body's own collagen synthesis. Join me as we explore the distinct advantages and important considerations for each type. Marine collagen is derived from fish skin and scales, primarily providing type 1 collagen, which is the most abundant type in our bodies. A significant advantage is its high bioavailability, allowing for efficient absorption and utilization. This type of collagen is known to enhance skin elasticity and hydration, helping to reduce the appearance of fine lines. It also plays a role in promoting stronger hair and nails, alongside supporting overall joint health. It's important to understand that plants do not naturally contain true collagen protein. Instead, plant-based collagen boosters offer a blend of ingredients that actively support your body's own collagen production. These formulations often feature essential nutrients like vitamin C, specific amino acids, and silica. They present an excellent option for individuals following vegan or vegetarian diets, or anyone seeking alternatives to animal-derived products. When deciding between marine and plant-based options, consider your personal needs. Marine collagen provides direct, highly absorbable peptides, often showing quicker results. Plant-based boosters, while not direct collagen, effectively stimulate your body's natural synthesis over time. Your choice depends on dietary preferences, ethical considerations, and specific health goals. Both types can significantly contribute to the wellness of your skin, hair, and joints.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.